Hi guys, welcome to Unicorn's World. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Pom Pom popper. It will look like this when we're finished. What you'll need is a paper towel roll, something to keep inside your Pom Pom popper, something to decorate your Pom Pom popper with. I'm using wrapping paper, some tape, some scissors, balloon, and if you need, you can also use some glue. So what we're going to do first is you're going to take your Pom Pom popper and you're going to get the thing that you're decorating it with. Like I said, I'm using wrapping paper. And you're going to measure your Pom Pom popper. So you got a nice size for it to be decorated. So mine is right up here. So I'll cut it over there. So I've gotten it all cut up. And I'm going to paste it onto my Pom Pom popper tube. And now I'm going to put my decoration on my Pom Pom popper. As you see, I have a little bit of my decoration sticking on the outside. Actually, it's a lot. So I'm going to just cut it off. And if you're doing it, it's okay if you cut off some of the toilet paper rolls. So I'm done with that. Now you're going to you might want to accent it out to help you tie a knot at the end of your balloons. So what you're going to do is stretch out your balloon, take your finger at the very end, and then tie it like this over here, around, and take the end of the balloon and tuck it inside and pull. When you're done with that, you're going to take a scissor and you're going to cut a little bit off the top. Now you'll see that your Pom Pom popper looks like this, the balloon. So you're going to take the balloon on and you're going to just slightly put it on top. Just like that. Now you're going to take your tape and tape the balloon onto your Pom Pom popper. Now that you're done with that, all you're going to do is you're going to put whatever you want inside your Pom Pom popper and shoot. To shoot, you're going to hold your balloon from the bottom back down and let go. And that's how you make a Pom Pom popper. I want to give a special shout out to Debbie who taught me this project. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.